Hello, DIY enthusiasts and tile aficionados. I'm your trusted expert in the world of tiling, and I've been cutting through ceramic and porcelain for over a decade. Today, we're diving into the world of precision with the top 5 manual tile cutters in 2024. If you're passionate about crafting beautiful spaces with your own two hands, you're in for a real treat. But before we score these incredible tools, make sure to explore the links in the description for more cutting-edge information. Give that like button a little love if you're as excited as I am. Don't forget to subscribe and join our tiling community. And of course, snap that notification tile so you're the first to know about the latest in tile tools and reviews. Now let's get cutting with these top manual tile cutters. Starting at number 5, Ruby 1200 Manual Tile Cutter. The Ruby 1200 Manual Tile Cutter is an all-in-one solution for cutting various tiles, including wall tiles, polished tiles, and brick tiles. Its high breaking force allows it to cut a range of tile types effectively. One standout feature is its magnet adsorption, enabling one-handed operation with accuracy. The precision in cutting is further enhanced by the cutting head's linear bearing. The double rail design ensures smooth operation and excellent visibility of the cutter wheel. An ergonomic handle adds to user comfort. The tool is robust, with a 20mm solid steel bar and an aluminum extrusion closed chassis, ensuring stability and resistance to deformation. The adjustable side ruler permits equal size or 45-degree angle cuts. Overall, the Ruby 1200 Manual Tile Cutter is perfect for those who require a versatile, precise, and easy-to-use tile cutting solution for various tile types. Its ergonomic design and high-quality materials make it a valuable addition to any tile project. At number 4, BM120T Tile Cutting Machine. The BM120T Tile Cutting Machine is designed for a straightforward tile cutting experience. With the ability to cut tiles up to 2 centimeters thick and a length of 1,200 millimeters, it's a practical tool for tile work. The laser infrared manual push knife and the all-steel construction ensure durability and accuracy. It's ideal for those engaged in tiling projects, whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast. This no-nonsense tile cutting machine is a reliable companion for tasks where precision and simplicity are essential. Number 3, Enthusiast X1200 Manual Tile Cutter. The Enthusiast Manual Tile Cutter is a high-precision tool for ceramic tile cutting. With a breaking force of 750 kilograms, this cutter excels at breaking even tough tiles. It features a wide internal cutting length of 1,200 millimeters, making it ideal for various tile sizes. The narrowest cutting width of 7 millimeters is particularly impressive, ensuring that you can achieve even intricate cuts. Its 13 kilograms weight and 150 centimeters length contribute to stability and ease of use. For those working on floor or ceramic tiles, the Enthusiast Manual Tile Cutter is a reliable choice. Its precision and robustness make it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. At number 2, RAISY Manual Tile Cutter. The RAISY Heavy Cut Tandem 3,400 millimeters manual tile cutter is a powerful and flexible tool for handling large format tiles. With a maximum working length of 3,400 millimeters, it's designed for those working with substantial tiles. The zinc-coated guide rail with suction cups ensures a secure grip on the tile. One of its standout features is the pliers with rubber protection, which assist in separating tiles efficiently. The cutting part with a bearing wheel adds precision when scoring large tiles. The inclusion of multiple guide rails in various lengths provides versatility to tackle different tile sizes and shapes. Plus, you'll receive essential accessories like gloves and a carry bag. The RAISY Manual Tile Cutter is suitable for professionals and avid DIYers working with large tiles. Its robust construction and precision scoring make it an ideal choice for those who require quality and efficiency. At number 1, Mufasha PL Tile Cutter. The Mufasha PL Tile Cutter is a versatile tile cutting tool for those undertaking renovation projects. It comes in 3 models, each capable of handling different tile sizes. The PL 1800, PL 2800 and PL 3800 models can cut tiles up to 1,600 millimeters, 2,600 millimeters, and 3,600 millimeters, respectively, providing you with options to suit your needs. One notable feature of this tile cutter is its construction. The suction cup rails are made of aluminum alloy, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Additionally, the inclusion of 3 cutting blades enhances the tool's versatility. It boasts a cutting accuracy of 0.5 millimeters, which is essential for precise tile work. However, please exercise caution as the blades are sharp, and this tool should be kept out of the reach of children. In summary, the Mufasha PL Tile Cutter is an excellent choice for individuals who require a dependable tile cutting tool for various tile sizes and demand accuracy in their projects.